Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning page number 40 of Qaida, and this covers the concept of Leen. And Leen, actually there are two uh, Leen letters in Quran. So I'll write it for you. One is Wow Leen and the other is Leen. Wow Leen is Wow Sakina قبلها واو ساكنة واو ساكنة قبلها مفتوح, and the other one is يا ساكنة قبلها مفتوح. These are two Leen letters, Yailin, Wowlin. And in this page, you are learning this Yailin. This will be Ya Sakina قبلها مفتوح. Ya Sakina followed by any Fatha letter will you will apply Leen. And what is Leen? Leen will be number one. It will be 2 counts long. And it should said very softly. So you will give a very nice sound on time on fatha, and you will join this fatha with ya with a very soft sound. So this is all about Leen. So Leen. So how to pronounce it? It's Hamza. Hamza is a very sharp sound. So this is a shidda harf. So it should be very sharp. Ah, and for fatha, open your jaws. But when you are going to join with ya, the sound should be very soft. I, 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 bay. You are giving a very nice fatha. Bay. Day. When you will give sufficient time on fatha, that will automatically correct your mechanism of this Leen. Some people say it's day, it's not day, it's ta. Ta. When you say fatha separately, how you say it? It's ta fatha, ta, ta, and then ta should be attached, joined with ya, tay, and it should take 2 counts long. These all vowels are 2 counts long. Tay, tay. First say the fatha, and then join it with ya. Tay, jay. Say fatha very clearly. Ja, as you say separately. Ja, jay. Hay, hoy. Kha will be heavy, so we'll write capital H. Hoy, they, roy. Ra will be heavy here because whenever ra is with fatha or dhamma, it's always heavy. The heavy ra sounds like a ra. So this sound should stay there, and then it should be attached with ya. Roy. Say raw separately, yes, a raw, and then join it with ya. Roy. Zay. For fatha, open your jaws well, give a nice time on fatha, then join it with ya. Zay. Say. Shay. Say. Make sure you make sod heavy because khussa, daq, tinqis are the letters. Okay, I'll write it for you. Khussa, daqin, 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 qil, qil. these are the letters. Whenever these are said in the Quran, these are always heavy. Khussa, it's kha, swad, ضاد, غين, طا, قاف, ra. Khussa, ضغط, قض are the letters. Whenever these are in Quran, these are heavy. Sa for fatha, give a very nice sound, and attach with ya. Say. If you face any problem in saying this Leen, you say this fatha letter separately. Say it so. So this so, this whole combination should be joined with ya. Say. It's the, then it is attached with ya. Why. To. Look, this is heavy too. And to is also part of Qusadat and Qiz. Can you find it here? Yeah, this is here. So to will be heavy. To, this for fatha, to, and join it with ya. Toy. This is the. How you say, how you pronounce the, by touching the tip of your tongue under the edge of your frontal two teeth. And for fatha, open your jaws well. And this is a heavy letter. How will you say it separately? It's the, and keep this combination to join with ya. The should say the, stay the, and join with ya. The, and all these combinations are 2 counts long. R from your throat. If you will say separately, it's R, and this whole combination should join with ya to make it lean. I. Gho. Gho is a heavy letter. Can you find it in Qusadat and Qiz? Yes, this is here. Ghain. Ghoi. Fa. Fa will, we have to apply hums in fa. Whenever we look at fa, it should be with hums. This sound should be there, and hums is a flow of breath. Fa. Fay. For fatha, open your jaws. Fay. O. Qaf is heavy. This whole O combination should be joined with ya. Oi. Kay. Lay. For fatha, open your jaws well and attach with ya. If you will say lam separately, how will you say it? La. Yes. So this la should be joined with ya. Lay. Don't drop the fatha when you are joining it with ya. Lay. May. This is wrong. Okay. May. Nay. First say fatha very nicely. Say noon separately, so you will be able to know the combination. Na. Na. So it should stay na while you are joining it with ya. Nay. Wa. Way. Ha. Hay. Ya. Yay. I hope it will be easy for you, inshallah ta'ala. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم